If you're considering buying the OTR Mobile eSIM for your international travels, there are some key details you should know first. Compared to traditional SIM cards and other eSIM options, OTR Mobile promises some unique features, but it's not without its drawbacks. Let's break it down. First thing, the OTR Mobile eSIM is compatible with over 100 countries, which sounds impressive compared to some competitors. This means you can stay connected in many places without the hassle of swapping physical SIM cards every time you land. However, not all regions are covered, so you'll need to double-check your destinations. The second thing, activation is entirely digital. Once you've purchased your eSIM, it activates through a QR code or an app, meaning no need for physical stores or long activation waits. This can save time, but some users have reported slight delays in the activation process in certain countries, which could be a deal breaker if you need instant connectivity. Next thing, pricing. OTR Mobile's eSIM isn't the cheapest on the market. While it's competitive in most cases, you may find cheaper alternatives if you're only visiting one or two countries. But if you're a frequent traveler hitting multiple countries, the pricing could actually be more cost-effective than buying separate SIM cards for each region. The fourth thing, data speeds. Many users have mentioned that OTR Mobile delivers solid speeds for browsing and streaming, especially in major cities. But, like most eSIM providers, speed can fluctuate depending on the country and network congestion. You'll need to set expectations for rural or less developed areas where service may be slower. Next thing, coverage. OTR Mobile relies on local networks for service, and while they have agreements with major carriers globally, there can be gaps in remote areas. Unlike some competitors who offer private networks or more comprehensive coverage, this might leave you with no signal in certain places. The sixth thing is compatibility with your device. OTR Mobile's eSIM works with most modern smartphones and tablets, but if you're using an older model, you might run into issues. Be sure to check the compatibility list on their website before purchasing, especially if you're relying on a specific device. Next up, customer support. OTR Mobile support is available via email and chat, but some users have experienced slower response times compared to competitors. If you're in need of immediate assistance, this might be something to consider before making your purchase. The eighth thing, flexibility. OTR Mobile allows you to purchase data plans based on your usage needs, which is a huge plus compared to some services that force you into larger packages. You can buy what you need, whether that's just a few days of data or a month-long plan, but keep in mind, data rollover isn't always available. The ninth thing is international calls. If you're someone who makes frequent calls while abroad, you should know that OTR Mobile's international call rates are not the cheapest. Other eSIM services may offer better deals for calling abroad, so if that's important to you, it might be worth exploring those options. Next thing, it's a prepaid service. This means no surprise bills after your trip. While this is generally a positive, some competitors offer postpaid plans, which can be beneficial for those who need more flexibility or wish to pay based on actual usage. The 11th thing is ease of use. OTR Mobile's app and interface are user-friendly, with easy access to data balance, plan details, and more. However, some users have found the app a bit slow at times, which could cause frustration if you're trying to make quick changes or monitor usage while on the go. Finally, security. OTR Mobile offers a secure connection, but as with any mobile network, make sure you're using VPN services when browsing sensitive information. Compared to some high-end services that offer more built-in security features, OTR Mobile might fall short in some areas. So, while OTR Mobile eSIM offers a solid solution for international travel with decent coverage, data flexibility, and a straightforward user experience, it might not be the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for a more reliable, feature-packed eSIM experience, we've got a recommended solution you can try for free. Check it out and make the best choice for your travels.